Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit a story on your Instagram account. First of all, and of course, you will need the Instagram application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then, all you need to do, just go and sign in to create an account. If you do have an account on Instagram, just go log in and let's get straight to Instagram. So as we said, we want to edit a story. So first of all, and of course, you'll need to have a story on your profile. For me, as an example, I already have a story. But if you don't have a story, all you need to do, just go and click on the profile picture at the bottom right corner. After you click on that, just go and click on the plus icon at the top right corner. Then all you need to do, just click add story, create story. If you want to maybe upload a picture on your gallery, if you want maybe to film something from your camera, I'll just add a photo from my gallery like this one and I'll post it to my story just like that. So for me, for example, I just posted this story. But what if I want to edit this story? How can I do that? So it's simply by going and click add the three dots in the bottom right corner. Wait, let me just open my story again and click on more. Then all you need to do, just go to your story settings. Then you have here a lot of options if you want to make anything. You can hide your story from some people. Maybe if you click here and let's just type Leo Messi. So maybe you want to hide your story from Lionel Messi. You just click on that and go back after that. As you can see, hide story from one person. If you want to unhide it from him, just go and click there again. If you want to post it on your close friends, just add some people on your close friends. Or maybe if you want to allow replies on your story or not, maybe everyone can reply or just the people you follow or no one can reply. Maybe if you want to save your story on your gallery or save it at your archive, you can do whatever you want here in the settings of story. And you have another option. If you want, you can add your story at your highlights. Just click on the highlights here. As you can see, this will be added to your main profile. Here you need just to type a title for your highlights and you can change the thumbnail as well. Let's just say for example, let's just write something like that, happy, and click at add. As you can see here, it's added to highlights. I can just click on done, then just go to my profile back. As you can see here, I have it here on my profile. So if I want to maybe remove it, just click at remove from highlights, and that will be it for this video. So guys, I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.